This is Benagil Cave, and the only way to reach it is by swimming, kayaking or getting a boat ride, and we opted for the swim as it was free and we could spend as long as we wanted there. It's not a huge distance to swim from the beach to the cave, however there is a strong current, you have to be careful waves don't push you into the cliffs and be wary of any boats passing. I'm not a strong swimmer, so I wore a life jacket and we brought our friend Di along, who's really good at swimming. We actually attached a rope to her with a buoy on the end, which I held onto, and she pretty much pulled me most of the way.
Well, this is a fucking cool one if it isn't it. Do you think this is it? Yeah! This is it! Woohoo! This is amazing! Ah, I'm so happy! Oh, it's epic!
When we arrived at the cave, we were the only people there. This was when I forgot I still had a rope attached from me to Di, and I started walking off, unknowingly pulling her along the floor. A few other swimmers eventually turned up, but it was never busy and we could take lots of photos without anyone in the way. However, when it was time for us to leave, the waves had become really aggressive. It actually became difficult for us to exit the cave and get past the waves, so I was completely out of my comfort zone and feeling a little bit scared.
Right, careful with the boats. Careful near the boats.
Once we got past the big waves, everything calmed down and we could take our time swimming back to the beach.
Right. That's where we came from. Woo. Okay, I'm going to go onto the buoy now. Can you see anything down there?
If you do decide to swim there, make sure you check the weather and tide times, as people have been stranded inside the cave, not being able to escape because of the waves being too strong. A trip here, however, is well worth a visit and we highly recommend.